Hello everyone, I would like to show you guys how Clocktopus work. I'll do the whole account setup and then I'll go ahead and commit some code and then you guys should be able to see it working or the hours being logged against your account or your project, okay? So the first thing you have to do, go to dashboard, settings, you have project section, just add a new one, give a name. And here you can associate to an organization if you have one. And this is the important bit. So you have to associate, well, if you want the automated tracking to work, you need to associate your Git repo. So in this case, I'll copy from here, put in there, and that's it. Next, you need to set up your keys. So if you scroll down, there's a webhook settings. So you create a new secret, can give a name, and copy your secret. Go to Bitbucket. GitHub is exactly the same, so it is in the should be in the project settings. You have workflow, webhook, and you can create one from here. Okay. Clocktopus demo. This is your secret, and the URL should be in there. Okay. It's active, and it should trigger every code push. All right. So now is where the magic happens. Okay. So I have preset up my working hours here, so you can change it if you want, but mine is 9 to 5 in Australia. If we go to time, you have this weekly and daily view. You can add hours here manually if you want. But on the 25th is the one we want to see the hours being tracked. One last day before we demo, if we jump back to settings, we have the secondary mails here. So these you can raise as many as one is the way Clocktopus is going to identify who is actually performing the commitment associated to your account. Okay. Okay, now let's do some magic. So if I bring my terminal here, is a just clone repo, there's nothing there. So I'll go and create a readme file, demo, and commit this code. In here, one important thing is we recommend you to use conventional commits so Clocktopus can keep track of which task you are working on. So essentially in this case, it will associate these working hours against blah 123. I will show you how it looks like on the dashboard. This is the commit message. Push. Okay, cool. So if I go back to there and refresh the page, we should be able to see the hours there. And we have this little history explaining exactly how the working hours is being calculated. And this is your dashboard. So like I said, so plot 1, 2, 3, we had the hours logged against that. And you can click here to see the details there. I think that's it, guys. So you can enjoy. So it's $0 per month. So you can enjoy for free and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching.